Meet the Single Shot Round Blow Dryer Brush. The Single Shot is a round brush and blow dryer in one. The 2¼ inch round barrel makes it perfect for shorter hairstyles and bangs, and for creating more defined waves and curls. It uses ionic technology to reduce frizz and add tons of shine, while the strategically placed vents provide maximum airflow for a faster blowout. Getting a super smooth, shiny blowout at home has never been easier. The combination of nylon and tufted bristles allows for exceptional tension and control, while the ergonomic, lightweight design provides maximum comfort while styling. It has 3 temperature settings for customized styling on all hair types. Here's how to use it. After shampooing, thoroughly towel dry hair and brush out using a detangling brush. Apply the heat protectant of your choice. For shorter hair and shorter pieces, place the Single Shot underneath each section and work it slowly from roots to ends until each section is smooth and dry. Smooth the finished look by working the Single Shot on top of each section from roots to ends. To create waves and curls, place the Single Shot at the base of the section, and with tension, pull all the way through to the ends. Keep the ends wrapped on the brush, then roll upwards and hold for a few seconds. Unroll the brush and release. Repeat until the section is dry and the desired style is achieved. And there you have it. For a smooth, beautiful blowout at home, you'll love the Single Shot Round Blow Dryer Brush. Peace, love, and blowouts!